There is a place called Seton Park, and no one enters after dark. The reason why no one will say, but rumors are spread during the day. A creature hides out into the night. Anyone brave can put up a fight. But be forewarned, you may not get out. And that's what this little story is about.
It is inadvisable to walk through Seton Park during the hours of darkness.
What in the world? Oh.
Oh, you little baby cave, okay?
Cave?
The bird, why are the birds going crazy? Maybe they're having another rat battle.
Oh my God, did y'all hear that?
What? Shut up. I didn't hear anything.
No, listen, listen. You heard that. Did y'all not hear that? Am I crazy?
I can't hear anything. Oh. Does it sound like it's like a screeching noise?
Yeah.
I did not hear that. Why are you stopping? You go.
I'm not going. I'm just going to stay here.
We'll make Andy go first.
Oh my God, run! 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 I don't know where they went. I don't know where they went. I'm trying to find them. I can't figure out what's chasing me. Okay, I don't know where she went. Annie?
I don't know.
Annie?
Annie. Baby, stop now, scared. Annie!
This is creepy, man.
I'm so scared. Oh. Annie.
Come on, just keep going.
She had to have run this way.
I don't know. Annie?
Annie.
What? She could not have gotten that far. Oh my God, please don't do that. Look, there's barbed wire.
Oh. Why would they have barbed wire right there? Like, what's going in there, you know what I mean?
I don't know. I'm gonna go look. Oh. The doors are